This is Mark Tilbury, a former carpenter who became a self-made multi-millionaire entrepreneur. Today, I'm going to give you a blueprint of how he did it and break down 5 powerful income streams that earn him over $1 million every single month. So stick around because this isn't just another list video. This is a real breakdown of how millionaires actually think. By the end of this video, you'll know what works for you. And at the end, I'll show you which of Mark's income streams you can start today, even if you're broke. The first income stream is one that Mark talks about a lot: investment income, more specifically dividend stock investing. You see, Mark doesn't chase meme stocks. He bets on boring companies with consistent returns. Why? Because while others are hoping to double their money overnight, he's getting paid every quarter just to hold. This is a classic strategy. And when markets crash, Mark doesn't panic. He just buys more, because this is how intelligent investors operate. The rich don't panic, they plan. The second one is the obvious one: business. And this one's a beast. In today's world, more than half of all millionaires are entrepreneurs. And Mark, being that intelligent, rich mindset kind of guy, knew that early on. He built a business in the retail electronics space, basically flipping products before flipping was even a trend. This became the foundation of his empire. But here's the kicker: he didn't start with millions. He started by selling gadgets out of a garage. Now, what's the main point of this story? What do we learn from this? Millionaires don't wait for perfect conditions. They create momentum with what they have. So if you think you need a bunch of resources or that the world isn't supporting you, you're wrong. Start with whatever you have. That's the first step toward building a successful business. The third income stream is probably the most interesting, because this is where Mark uses his experience and knowledge to make even more money. It's called social media monetization. This is another example of how rich mindset people think. They multiply their income just by sharing what they know about investing, business, and life, just like Mark Tilbury did. Most of you watching this probably know him from YouTube. And yes, he earns money from YouTube monetization, but he didn't stop there. To increase his income even more, he expanded to other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. All of these content platforms make him tons of money. YouTube alone earns him around $100,000 per month. That's over $1 million a year just from YouTube. And when you add everything else, it's much higher. Now, if you're thinking it's too late to start a YouTube channel, take Mark as an example. He literally started in his 50s. So what's your excuse again? And now, the fourth income stream builds directly on the third: sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Mark promotes tools and platforms he personally uses, like investing apps or other financial services, and earns a commission through special affiliate links. Because he has a massive audience, he's able to generate a huge income just from this alone. In fact, his affiliate marketing income is likely way higher than you might imagine, especially because financial platforms tend to pay a lot for promotions. Now, here's a golden rule: only promote what you truly trust, or you risk breaking your audience's trust forever. Because if you have people's trust, you can always make more money, but without it, you can't do anything. Now, the fifth and final income stream is digital products. A digital product is something that can't be touched. It has no physical form. Think online courses, subscriptions, ebooks, and more. Mark monetizes his knowledge through online courses and mentorship programs. He built credibility on social media and then turned it into cash. People trust him because of his personal experience and proven knowledge, and he uses that trust to maximize his profits. Remember this: information becomes income if you package it right. So these are the 5 income streams from Mark Tilbury's Millionaire Blueprint. But here's the truth most people won't tell you: you don't need all 5 to get rich. You just need one that works, and the discipline to reinvest what you earn. That's a golden rule for any successful millionaire. If this inspired you, hit that like button so the algorithm knows it's worth sharing. And if you want me to break down exactly how to start your first income stream with zero money, comment "Start Now" below. Remember, Mark started with nothing, so maybe, just maybe, that's all you need too.